the beach here for fishing. So
Yeah. Okay, we're here.
we'll see if we could get some fish today, since we didn't have luck to do some crabbing today. Anyway, guys.
Looked around.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at that.
No, not to leave it so again.
Yeah, this is so good in here. Beautiful spot. Beautiful in here, right?
Always bring it.
Alright, fishing rod is out. Good luck. Hope you get some fish today.
Well, it's probably more in the evening, but we'll just have a try.
Good luck?
Like crabbing, morning, evening is the best.
Yes.
But we'll have a go.
Yeah, see how they go. Are you gonna try to put some crab net in there?
Well, I think the water's deep here. I think I'll probably...
Well, I'm gonna push your kayak in the water now, Dad.
Yeah, just get near the water, it might float away otherwise.
I'm doing that.
Yeah. That's the thing, the water's quite deep, isn't it? I've only got one deep crab net. The water's quite deep, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I'd test it with a deep one first.
We'll see how far this goes.
What?
Get away from us! It's flat! We can swim! We can swim! Is it still alive?
What's this? Plunder?
Well, prawn, they ate prawn.
Oh, this has been rough in there in the beach. Did you try the prawn?
Oh, I got tangled, they take the gold ball off. Then no sinker on the end, they get tangled up every time I cast the tangle.
Maybe there will be plenty of plunder
Yeah,
there.
this trolley, you put your bait and you just paddle around. They just hook up. I might get two rods, one each side and paddle around.
Oh my God, look, there must be lots of plunder there. Heck, that one has been...
The plan goes in white, they live on the bottom.
Really?
I like whiting.
Could this been washed up so there will be plenty of fish
They
here?
like whiting. They just wash up it, didn't it?
Yeah. We saw it when washed up.
I said, how they catch that? They don't even get a rod of it in water.
Yeah, it's been washed
White
up.
cruise around with two rods and just prawn on it.
Well, I can't believe that plunder fish is washed up in the beach here. It's amazing. That's it, guys. Lucky Mel got some rice here in KFC. We went to the cafe here where we are, and yeah, they only have like a few meat pies right there. I don't feel like I want meat pies really. So yeah, so let's eat. Okay, guys, I'll try to do some fishing today. See if I could get some fish. So I'm using a prawn bait today, guys. See how it go. I just mainly wanted to get at least herring or some whiting or anything that I could get. It's really a bonus, whatever I could catch. I'm not really fussy. I eat anything. god! Look at what we got here. What's that called, Anthony?
A flathead.
Oh my god. That's beauty, mate. Wow.
Let it go, put it in the bucket, Sally.
Yeah.
Dad, can we keep that one?
A flathead.
Yeah, we keep this one.
And a flat head. Probably because it has a flat head. What is
Wow.
that?
That's a big one. That's why I said it's a bit heavy.
The tackle box, Sally. No, you won't. You gotta be very careful. These got spikes on them.
But if you hold the fish,
Yeah, I'm holding the fish now. Got it.
Okay, there you go. Wow. Thank you. Look, that's why it's a bit heavy.
That was heavy.
Wow.
Good catch.
It's only prawns. Do you eat prawns?
You don't eat anything.
Really? Wow, go over, let's go fishing. Can't believe, guys, I just got a big flathead. Huh? I can't believe I scored it. Oh, good job. I think I'm very proud of myself for that. So far, guys, this is what we caught today. Well, I can't believe I caught this really big, like a flathead. Is that called flathead anyway? This is what I caught today, guys. So, just right here in the beach, and some herring. So yeah, I think we really had a great time. Even we didn't put any crabs today, but we had a few fish, so that's alright, you know. It's a good day out. We get out of the house and do something, you know. So yeah, it's fun going out today, catching fish, driving, doing some beach driving, four-wheel driving right here. So I think we had a great time. Do you have a great time, Jay?
Yeah.
You think you have a great time?
Yeah.
Yes. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I will see you.
Thank you for watching.
Say bye.
Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Bye. And give it a huge
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Bye.